Hi Maxine, sorry to hear about the problem with your fridge freezer RL39WBMS. Now, the thing you need to understand, firstly, I'm not in the workshop this week, so I can't do a one-to-one phone call with you with regards help. I'm actually going over to the Berlin trade show, but I need much more information to be able to assist you properly. The first thing we need to ascertain is the fridge freezer compressor running? If the compressor is not running, this means it's not pumping gas around the unit. If the compressor is running, then we need to know, are the pipes getting cold inside the freezer compartment? Because if they're not getting cold inside the freezer compartment, we could have a lack of gas in the system, and therefore it's running but not generating any cold temperatures. The other thing with the Samsung fridge freezers is they've become overly complicated over the years. You have a lot of defrost systems inside the freezer and also sensors. Now, I've added a link to a page in the description below for you to assist you with this problem, and it's well worth watching these videos that are there on these Samsung fridge freezers to show you how complicated the defrost systems are. Ice can build up on the matrix and not defrost correctly, and therefore this can lead to ice build-up, which restricts the airflow in the fridge compartment and the freezer compartment. If ice is built up, then this is always a problem because the air is unable to get to the front of the freezer compartment and therefore reach the correct temperatures. You didn't say what temperatures your fridge freezer was running at. All you've said is it's noisy. So please come back to me with much more information. Is the compressor running? What temperatures are being achieved at the pipes? What temperature is being achieved in the freezer compartment? Then I'll be able to help you much better. But I do need detailed information to be able to assist you. Samsung build very good fridge freezers, and they are exhibiting at the show in Berlin. And they're bringing out a lot of new great technology, which I'll be having a look at while I'm there. But without the relevant information, I really can't help you, I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my walk this afternoon and see if I can answer a few more of these FAQs for other people as well. Thanks very much for contacting us.